Good afternoon. My name is Courtney Schreiber. I'm a professor of obstetrics and gynecology at the Perelman School of Medicine, University of Pennsylvania. On behalf of an incredibly dedicated team, I'm delighted to have this opportunity to share with you all today on the RAISE program. The medical sex and gender data gap is well established. Despite this fact and efforts by the NIH, including the 21st Century Cures Act, the assertion that sex and gender do not matter or are just too complex to incorporate perpetuates the male default bias at every stage of research, from preclinical mouse models to clinical trial recruitment. The lack of sex and gender disaggregated data has led to an intrinsically biased medical system that is guided by a spurious understanding of disease processes as they present in women. Sex and gender disaggregated data is also critical to achieving gender equity in academic medicine. RAISE, or Raising the Investment in Sex and Gender Evidence program, launched in October 2022, is a structural intervention that aims to, 1, advance women scientists and achieve gender equity in the scientific workforce, and 2, incorporate the analysis of sex and gender differences into research programs throughout one large academic medical center. RAISE is powered by 2 longstanding programs in our Office of Inclusion, Diversity, and Equity. The missions of these programs are, 1, to support the leadership of women in academic medicine, and the other to promote education and research in women's health and women's careers. We plan to illuminate the understanding of the wide-reaching and established sex differences in disease prevalence, phenomenology, and treatment. RAISE will provide faculty with grant funding to embark on new research or to revisit earlier findings and apply a sex and gender disaggregated data analysis to previously conducted science. RAISE grantees will participate in programming and have the opportunity to consult with partner experts so that they can gather, synthesize, and disseminate sex and gender disaggregated data. The program will co-sponsor a research symposium in the spring when grantees will disseminate their findings. Thank you very much for this opportunity to present, and have a great rest of your day.